Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen with the link in description.
All right, today is the 22nd day of December. It's getting close. But here is the 22nd on the box. So let's crack it open and see what's in there. It's time for shrimp. Shrimp today, huh? All right. Well, let's do this. All right. This is On the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got this one, as I showed you a minute ago. This is the Cup Noodles Shrimps soy sauce flavor. So how are you doing? Today is December 22nd, 2025, and we are very close to the end of the deal, the shebang, the Advent thing. Wait a second. What am I doing? We're almost there. Okay. Oh, it's not even exactly boiling yet. Okay. Well, today is a very special day in my household. Today is my wife and I's talkiversary. So that means that 16 years ago was the first day we ever spoke to each other. So it's a special day. And yeah, so that's cool. So it's winter break for the kids. They're chilling out, doing their kid stuff. And yeah, I think this is hot enough. Let's add our boiling water and make it happen. There. Lid, 3 minutes. There. I think. No, I don't want to leave it there. If I leave it there, it's going to heat up my camera. And that would be a bad thing. So yeah. It's just water, it's not dirty. Anyways, yeah, so it mentioned that we could have a snow rain mix this morning. Although sometimes I think the weather's insane, at least the forecast, because it said snow rain mix, but the low was like 40. So I don't know how that works. It was snow at 40 degrees. That would be strange. So I don't know. There have been little things in the forecast threatening weather occurrences that just aren't going to come to fruition. So we're not going to have a white Christmas, but we'll probably have rain. Rain's all right. Like I always say, I don't mind rain. Wind and rain, though, not a big fan. Don't blow cold water in my face, and we're good. But, yeah, we've just been messing around with the new cameras I got. The plan is, hopefully, to walk over to the thrift store today and find a couple bookshelf speakers and set up the new record player. That'd be rad. We'll see. I'm trying to think if there were any the last couple times I went there that were like decent. It seems at the thrift store they have tons and tons of subwoofers, but no bookshelf speakers or like pairs of speakers. And I've got a really nice pair of speakers, but they're too big. We're like at a low amount of room to keep such speakers out here. I mean, I could figure it out, but then the other problem is I don't even know if I've got the speaker wire that I had. I'm hoping I do, because if I don't have speaker wire, there's really no point. So I've got to kind of like take a look and see if I've got any speaker wire. If I don't have any speaker wire, then I'm kind of at a standstill on that. But I will look. That's the first thing I'm doing after I'm done with this. So, but yeah. I even Alexa, turn on disco party. There. That's the lantern in the background is the disco party. I have to come up with names for all these things, you know. We found that we can tell it to turn on and off. I've got the holiday Christmassy lights. I got the tree and I got the lights above the door. Those are all as turn on and turn off Christmas. But you can tell it activate Christmas, deactivate Christmas, kill Christmas, murder Christmas. There are a lot of things. When it hears like a word before it that means stop or end, it'll do it. Yeah, we tried all sorts of stuff. You can kill Christmas. Here is our shrimps soy sauce noodle. Kind of tired today, I'll be honest. Oh yeah, we went to that big Christmas light show last night. You'll be able to see that in the video. Yeah, I should have let off with that. I'm sorry. That's pretty good. Yeah, there's tons of Christmas lights and weirdness and craziness and fake snow. That was nice. A whole lot of humans, though. But there's a table in the front of this big church, and they're just constantly asking, do you want a chocolate chip cookie or a gingerbread cookie? And I'm like, oh man, gingerbread. And they were really good. I really like gingerbread. Gingerbread. It's funny, I would think I would see more gingerbread stuff this time of year. I really don't see it all that much these days. Like, you can get, I think traditionally it's not a gingerbread cookie per se, but like a holiday loaf. And I really want to, you know, loaf it up with some gingerbread. Okay. Getting low on those. I'll have to get more of those. I don't have any shrimp today. We do have shrimp in the freezer, but they're not the right kind. They're like breaded shrimp. So I'm going to go with the fish cake route and something else kind of special, which you will see momentarily. A couple slices of kamaboko. Yeah, I'm kind of low on inclusions today. Let's go with some sesame seed. And I'm going to use some of this stuff. It's a brand called Homia. I want you to see this. Sambal Chili Crisp. This stuff is, well, Chili Crunch. This stuff is where it's at. If you are not into strong shrimp flavor, it's probably not for you. However, if you are like me and can't get enough of that, oh, that's right, I got egg too. I should do egg first. If you're really into that flavor profile, then this will float your boat. Okay. Okay. I wasn't sure whether to do it transverse or non-transverse, but I decided to do like that. So and now the sun's coming out. Oh my. My plan, I'm going to use the new camera for the pretty pictures today. That should be wonderful. But anyways, let's add some of this Sambal Crisp, because this stuff is where it's at. I know, it's Sambal Crunch. In the post for this, which is on the website, there's a link so you can buy some, if that floats your boat. Big thanks to the folks over there for sending some over. That was kind. Oh my. Sludgy wonder. So it's like crunchy and shrimpy and all around good stuff. Wow. Serious business. Furioso. Where did that one go? And I think that's where we're going to leave it for today. So there's our shrimp cup noodle for December 22nd, 2025. Rotato, do your thing. I wonder if the battery's about to run out on this thing. Well, that's it for today. That was really quick. Yeah, it's still recording. Anyways, lots of lights at that place. It was really insane. So hope you enjoyed, and yeah, we'll do another one tomorrow and one more the next day, and that's that. There will be a post coming out on Christmas Day, so don't worry about that. If you're alone on Christmas, you'll see a post that I did a long time ago, but these for this advent calendar are coming out, like today is December 22nd, and it's posting today, December 22nd. Anyway, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.